Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Paul Nkulikimana Official, where I deal with ICT and computer science skills. So today we are going to say something about data validation. So now, what is data validation? Data validation in Microsoft Excel. If we say data validation here, within Microsoft Excel, we want to limit set of data which can be inserted in a cell. I repeat once, want to limit which data can be inserted within this selected cell. The steps of making data validation: first, you need to select which cell do you want to validate. Which cell do you want to customize, type of data you want here. So now, if you do this one, to get data validation, first step is to select this one. The second one, click Data tab here. And then from here, if you don't get immediately data validation from Data Tools, you can immediately click this one. Here you see, then choose Data Validation. Data validation will come like this. From here, if you click Setting here, then any value, here you can set which data do you want. For example, I want, for example, number. They can ask me between, for example, here, I can say equal to or greater than. If they ask me greater than, for example, 45, here. So now, which message do I really want? If my cursor point to this one, here you see. If I point here, the message will immediately come. If this one is clicked OK, like this one. For example, title, I can say hello. And then validation, for example. If I have clicked this one, once I type data, less than 45, then they will give me this message once I point cursor here. So now the error, if I do this one, once I put data which is not greater than 45, I will be given a message where then you can put invalid input here. The invalid input. So then if I click OK, like this, well, you see this one, if I point cursor, this is the input message, which will come if I point cursor to the cell where there is a data validation. It will immediately come. So now, but if I type number, for example, 32 here, let us see which message we will get. They will give us the invalid input. Invalid input, this is because 32 does not qualify the condition here. I think you get the meaning. If I type a number like 56, the cell will agree this number because it fulfills the condition. You see. So this, you see, as long as I'm clicking to the cell where there is a data validation, the error validation is coming as an input message. So now, the error alert will come if I put data which is not satisfying the condition here within the selected. You see the invalid input. But this input message will never come to the cell which is not data validated, like this one. You see the hello input fails. So this is how data validation can be easily used within Microsoft Excel. If you type, we have said that this cell only qualifies for data which are text, and then we put here, for example, hello, like this. So you see the invalid input. What does it mean? Data validation, you are limiting which data are going to be inserted here. So hello guys. So this is how you can easily use data validation within Microsoft Excel. Once this video supports you, don't fail to give us subscribe. So thanks.